I'm trying to move a little closer. They're kind of stirring around. I don't know if you can see them flying, but they are all up in those trees. Oh, there they go. There they go. I don't know, some of these you can see them moving. It's getting to be so dark. They fly off and then they all come back. There's 3 right there. 4. Dude. The weird thing is I can hear stuff in the woods on the ground too. But I can't see it because it's already too dark through there. See? I guess they're going to light there all night. I have to watch the little dogs when I bring them out. Not that they'd be mistaken for carrion, because they're not dead. But whatever they're after, something killed it. Wow. Cool. This is creepy, but it's cool at the same time. Alright. We're gonna go in. You hear them? This is so funny. This is bizarre. I'm trying to get close with the phone. Yeah, see, they said something else is after it, whatever it is. Oh. Yeah, I hear something in the woods, but I can't figure out what it is. There, let's go. I'm pretty sure it's not me that's running them off either. Something's ripping something out there. Oh, the life of living in the sticks, man. As long as my horse fence hold, we'll be good. Now they're all flying off now. I don't know. There's some still there hanging around doing something. All right.